Tesla has played a pivotal role in transforming the automotive industry, especially with its focus on electric vehicles. Founded in 2003 by Elon Musk and other visionaries, the company has been noted for its innovation in battery technology, vehicle design, and autonomous driving. Founded in 2003 by Elon Musk and other visionaries, the company has been noted for its innovation in battery technology, vehicle design, and autonomous driving. One of Tesla's most significant contributions has been its drive toward mass adoption of electric vehicles. Prior to Tesla, electric cars were viewed as a niche alternative with range and performance limitations. However, Tesla changed that perception by launching a series of electric vehicles with improved range, impressive performance, and attractive design. However, its end as a leader in this sector is near, thanks to the arrival of BYD, Build Your Dreams. Welcome back to the channel. This is Money Dynamo. Make sure to stay until the end of the video where we will explore the future situation of the electric vehicle sector. Let's get started. The arrival of BYD, Build Your Dreams, a Chinese automobile and technology company, marks a significant milestone in the automotive industry and represents formidable competition for Tesla. BYD has experienced remarkable sales growth and has demonstrated its ability to surpass Tesla in the number of cars sold in certain periods. It was founded by Wang Chuanfu in the city of Shenzhen, China. Wang Chuanfu, a Chinese chemist and entrepreneur with a vision for the future, established the company with the initial goal of revolutionizing rechargeable batteries. From its inception, BYD was noted for its innovative approach to battery technology development, focusing on improving the efficiency and capacity of batteries for electronic devices such as cell phones and laptops. Wang's goal was to compete with Japanese batteries, which dominated the market at the time. However, in 2003, the company acquired Changan Motors, a state-owned automobile manufacturing company, marking its foray into the automotive market. This strategic decision allowed BYD to combine its battery technology expertise with automotive production capabilities, laying the foundation for its eventual success in the electric vehicle market. Combining BYD's battery technology expertise with Changan Motors' automotive production capability was a crucial step for the company. This enabled BYD to diversify its product portfolio and position itself as a major player in the emerging electric vehicle market. As demand for electric vehicles has increased, BYD has aggressively expanded its international presence and diversified its product portfolio. One of BYD's most notable achievements is its ability to surpass Tesla in the number of cars sold in certain periods, highlighting its growth and position in the global market. This success is attributed in part to BYD's strategy of offering a wide range of electric vehicles for all market segments, from luxury models to more affordable options. The competition between BYD and Tesla reflects China's growing importance in the automotive industry and the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market. Both companies are driving innovation in battery technology, autonomous driving, and electric mobility in general, benefiting consumers by offering more choice and technological advances. BYD, Build Your Dreams, has undergone significant international expansion, consolidating its presence in various markets and establishing itself as a leader in the battery and electric vehicle industry. One of the areas where BYD has excelled in its international expansion is in the electric bus market. The company has pioneered the manufacture and marketing of electric buses, which have been adopted in cities around the world. From Los Angeles to London, BYD's electric buses have become a popular choice for municipal authorities seeking to reduce emissions and promote sustainable mobility. In addition to its success in the electric bus market, BYD has strengthened its presence in other segments of the electric mobility industry. The company has diversified its product portfolio to include a wide range of electric vehicles, from passenger cars to specialized trucks and cargo vehicles. In parallel with its expansion into the electric mobility market, BYD has consolidated its position as a leader in battery technology. The company has continued to invest in research and development to improve the efficiency and capacity of its batteries, as well as to develop innovative solutions in energy storage and renewable energy. BYD's international expansion is not limited to electric mobility. The company has also ventured into other sectors, such as the manufacture of electric car chargers, solar panels, and photovoltaic solutions for homes and businesses. In addition, BYD has developed its own chips and explored new business areas, such as smart home devices, smartphones, and drones. BYD, Build Your Dreams, has demonstrated a strong commitment to technological development throughout its history, which has enabled it to introduce significant innovations in battery technology and renewable energy systems. One of the pillars of BYD's technological success has been its focus on research and development, R&D. The company has invested heavily in this area, committing significant resources to researching new technologies and continuously improving its products. This dedication to R&D has enabled BYD to remain at the forefront of innovation in the electric mobility and energy storage industry. In the area of batteries, BYD has made significant advances in terms of efficiency, capacity, and safety. The company has developed cutting-edge technologies that have made it possible to increase the energy density of batteries and reduce the risks of fire and explosion associated with conventional lithium-ion batteries. A prime example of this innovation is the Blade battery technology, launched by BYD in 2020, which offers higher energy density and improved safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. In addition to its advances in battery technology, BYD has ventured into the development of renewable energy systems. The company has sought integrated solutions that combine energy storage with renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power. This holistic approach has enabled BYD to offer complete solutions for the generation, storage, and distribution of clean and sustainable energy. BYD's ability to introduce technological innovations has been reflected in the commercial success of its products. Its batteries and electric vehicles have been widely adopted in markets around the world, which has contributed to its position as a leader in the electric mobility and energy storage industry. One of BYD's key strengths lies in its ability to produce most of the components of its electric vehicles in-house. This includes everything from batteries and propulsion systems to other key components such as electric motors and energy management systems. By manufacturing these components in-house, BYD has greater control over quality and production costs, enabling it to offer competitive products in the market. In the fourth quarter of 2023, BYD reached a significant milestone by surpassing Tesla in electric vehicle sales, consolidating its position as the world's largest manufacturer in this sector. This achievement reflects BYD's remarkable success in the electric mobility market and highlights its growth and ability to compete globally. BYD's rise as a leader in electric vehicle sales is the result of years of investment in research, development, and strategic expansion. The company has demonstrated an exceptional ability to identify and capitalize on opportunities in the electric mobility market, as well as to develop innovative products that meet consumer demands. BYD's success in the market is attributed in part to its focus on offering a wide range of electric vehicle options for different market segments. From passenger cars to electric buses and trucks, BYD has diversified its product lineup to address the transportation needs of a variety of customers, both individual and corporate. BYD's leadership in the electric vehicle market has also been driven by its focus on sustainability and technological innovation. The company has pioneered the development of advanced battery technologies and electric propulsion systems, enabling it to offer vehicles with superior performance and increased range. Since its inception in 1995, the company has maintained a close partnership with the Chinese government, which has provided political and economic support. This partnership has resulted in tax exemptions and other favorable government policies that have facilitated its growth and development. The Chinese government's support has enabled BYD to reduce its operating costs and offer more competitive prices on its electric vehicles. This has contributed to its success in both the domestic and international markets. BYD continues to explore growth opportunities in international markets and is investing in strategies to overcome trade and regulatory barriers. This includes consideration of establishing local production facilities in some key markets to reduce import costs and comply with local regulations. Thank you very much for staying until the end of the video, my friend. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of my videos.